I'm in Hyderabad from 12 years. My native place is Khammam, and I have studied in Hyderabad, and it's been 12 years, and we got married like 5 years. We have been using the water cans like that we get in the autos and all. Like we used to use the same water cans. It is 30 rupees per, I think, that can. Yeah, actually, whenever there is a scarcity, like we used to we find it very difficult. Like me and whenever my husband is not there, also there was no one to get the water can up. So we can't lift it up and get it. Also, sometimes the can was very dirty, so we felt bad about it. One of my husband's colleagues was using the Drink Prime, and like when we are planning to buy this water purifier, he told, just try this. It would be a better option rather than buying. Okay, so basically I have a kid of 4 years. So I was like very much worried when I saw the water cans dirty and it's not very clean. So I was like very much worried, and also I'm not sure whether she used to face some cold issues and all. But now after using, when I started using this purifier, and she's good, and I am not at all worrying about it. I'm using it since 1.5 years. The thing I loved about it is once we give a complaint, the technician would come in a single day and resolve our problem. So that's the point like I like most, and the water is always good. And actually comparatively from other purifiers and all, this water is a bit tasty for us. That's what I felt. One time we asked to increase the TDS level. They did not even resist even for that. It's a minor thing, right? But even for that, the technician did not resist, and he was very nice in nature. We were not facing the problems frequently, but 2 or 3 times, like whenever he has come here, like the problem is resolved immediately. And also, if at all, there is a day in delay, like the customer support has provided us the details. Yes, so what I would say is definitely people who have kids and have any health issues, so definitely they will have to opt for a purifier. But why would I prefer Drink Prime is that we need not pay the money so much huge amount instantly. Rather, we can go for it and pay on the usage basis. And also main importantly what I felt is the maintenance part, because our own purifier we need to face a lot of problems with the maintenance. We need to change the candles and all, so here we need not bother about it, and a complex thing would be resolved easily. Yes, definitely. In our apartment itself, we have suggested for 2 of our neighbors.